welcome back to my channel.
I like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is.
I am currently driving, but I didn't know how else to start my intro, so I just wanted to start it off with me in the car, especially since I feel like I should have started this video earlier, just explaining what I was gonna do, but I just hate rambling too much on camera, which I'm kind of doing now. Right now I am on my way home. Today I'm kind of doing like a Sunday reset. I was deciding or not if I wanted to do it or not, but mine as well, just because I don't have any clients today too, which is such like a rare thing for me, which is why I took out my time to like have some me time. I went to the nail supply store though, just because I really needed to. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the nail supply store once I get home. And then just since I was out, I really wanted to go to Bath and Body Works to see if they had like the Christmas smells out, so I can't wait to show you guys what I got from Bath and Body Works. Okay guys, so I just got home and I had let my dog use the restroom. I was showing my grandma what I got and stuff, and I think we literally about to leave again, y'all. We're about to go to Hobby Lobby and look at some candles and Christmas stuff, and then we're just gonna come back home. So I guess I'm gonna just tune in when I get back home, because when I get home I want to shower, and then I want to start painting. So I think I'm gonna get my painting stuff out right now, like while I'm waiting for her to get ready. Okay, I just put Jasper, my dog, in the cage, and I could have sworn I said I don't know, my painting stuff is kind of already out. It's just sitting on the floor and my thing's there, and then I just have to put water in my water bowl. So I guess I'll just wait till I get home, to be honest. But yeah, I'm for real about to. Okay guys, I just got back from the store. I totally forgot that Hobby Lobby is closed on Sundays, y'all, so I went there for no reason. But I went to Dollar General and I got me some snacks, that way I didn't just go out for no reason. You guys watch my painting vlog, you might notice that this is like the same shirt I had in it. I literally filmed that whole last night, so if you notice me wearing the same shirt, it's because I had just filmed last night. Okay guys, so I got this candle called Twisted Peppermint. At first, I didn't know how I felt about it because it smelled really minty, but I don't know. I was like, actually, I'm kind of loving it. So I'm probably going to put this by my steps when I do nails, so it will make like the whole upstairs kind of smell like a little better. For my bathroom, I use cheaper candles because I really only light them when I'm working, so my bathroom smells nice, or when I have company over. Okay guys, the next thing I got is Strawberry Snowflakes. This is a body cream. I love this smell, y'all. I think I might have to go back before the Christmas smells are gone, because I'm gonna have to wait a whole nother year for this perfume and lotion to be back in stock next year for like Christmas season. But you guys, like, this is it right here. This 5 for $8 deal on hand sanitizers, and I got Winter Berry Ice. This is the same one. I only got I only got 2 scents, but I got 5 of them. The next one I got was a Bright Christmas Morning, and these are the only 2 I got, but I got like I made it equal to 5. So, and then I got this Winter Candy Apple fragrance. It smells so nice, y'all. I don't know, it smells like Christmas to me. It smells like cranberry and apple, and it actually, I think that's what it reminded me of my air freshener. That's what it smelled like. Okay, and then I got a hand soap too. It's the Strawberry Snowflakes one. I kind of wish I got the 5 for $27 deal. That was a really good deal, because I feel like that hand soap would have lasted me a long time, because it's literally just me in my bathroom basically. But considering I do have clients and stuff, my nail clients also use my soap. I've had this for almost a month, or about a month, and it's almost gone. So once this runs out, I'm gonna switch it to this one. But I literally got this from Target, and as you can see, the cranberry, like, I have a thing with the cranberry smell. Yeah, we're gonna like put this under my sink until I'm ready to use it. Okay guys, I also got the strawberry snowflake in a perfume scent. I got an extra one too, but I was nice and I gave it to my grandma because she wanted one of my perfumes. So I just gave her this one because I had double of it. Because like I said, y'all, was trying to be prepared all the way up until at least a couple of like 4 months. Not the overlap. Okay, I also got a lotion in the scent Fairy Tale. I almost didn't recognize it because they changed like the logo and stuff, but I kind of like it. I feel like it looks very vintage and cute compared to the plainer labels. But tell me why I didn't know that the Fairy Tale was a Christmas scent. I was wondering why why I couldn't find it anymore in stores, and whole time it's a Christmas scent. Let me just double that on. Yes, y'all. Okay, and then this is my last perfume. I got a Winterberry Wonder. It's literally, I mean, it's kind of the same as this one. This one's called Winterberry Ice, but they literally like kind of smell alike, and I feel like that's what made me want to get this. And as much as I'm not a grape person, this reminds me of like a grape sweet raspberry smell, but it's like really, really good. And I love how I'm just like overlapping all my perfumes right now. I don't know, this just smells like, it smells so refreshing as well. It reminds me of blueberries and raspberries. Like, it just smells so good. That's everything that I got. If you guys are wondering, I got everything for about $100, basically $101, which I feel like that was a good deal because usually I probably wouldn't have gotten the soap or the candle, and I felt like it would have like made my price to go all the way down. But you guys know the Bath and Body Works candles are not cheap. This candle was $24 and I spent it full price. They didn't have a sale on the candle, but I just thought it smelled so good and I wanted it. I like pretty much got, you know, like I have 2 full-size lotions, and then I have 3 perfumes, which I originally had 4, but yeah, I've got 3 perfumes, and I'm pretty sure it takes maybe like 1 to run out in a month. So I'm pretty stocked up, to be honest, until like New Year smells, to be honest, because I do like to go and look at new scents and stuff. But yeah, I'm really happy. I'm about to put the Winterberry Ice in my purse. I almost got the small bottles. They were having a sale where you buy 3 and you get 1 free, but I felt like that sale was dumb as fuck. But I'm about to shower, y'all. I'm gonna try on my new smell good stuff. Okay guys, so this is one of the candles I was telling you guys about. I got this mainly from Nendu Nail Stand by my steps, but I'm gonna light it in my room and let it burn while I paint. I think I'm gonna put it on, actually I don't know if my side table is a good idea to put it on. I'm gonna put it on my side table for now, and then when I'm ready to paint, I'm just gonna move it onto that dog cage area. Y'all, it smells so good. It's literally making me want to make hot cocoa right now, y'all. Like, I'm in the Christmas vibes. I feel like I should watch a Christmas movie while I paint. There was this Powerpuff Christmas one I've been waiting to watch too, but I need to get my Christmas movie list going on Netflix, y'all. That's what I need to do. I'm gonna be back for real when I get out the shower. Hey guys, so I just got out the shower and I feel so good. I smell so clean. I feel moisturized. I went in with the Strawberry Snowflake perfume and lotion, and then I went in with some hand sanitizer. And it smells so good. My candle's still over here. I decided that I'm gonna play on my laptop for a little bit and watch something before like I start painting later. But yeah, y'all, like I'm literally just chilling. And yeah, I might do some cleaning later. Everything else is already clean though. I just really need to kind of clean my room. And my room really don't need clean. I just need to make my bed like better, but
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand. Are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature.
Kind of in the painting mood, and I've been looking and stuff, and I think I just want to try and draw a self-portrait of me, except I'm gonna not do browns. I'm gonna like make myself pink. I feel like it'll help me get my blending together. But right now I'm watching this YouTube video of this bitch T talking about Zeus. I'm about to go watch the show now though, because I just found out some juicy shit. Apparently her and Scotty low-key had a time. Like I knew something was up. Like I could feel the energy, and apparently I guess Scotty's man's messing with Tier 1 or something. But also, girl, I know you was not fighting for no man. Scotty better get a new man. Fuck that. Fuck that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start doing that, y'all.
So much joy, got me in therapist to tell me there's a man I want, and I just want you. And I can't have you, no one should have.
I don't know, y'all. Like, I think I stopped painting because I wanted to watch the new episode of Baddies, and then I don't know, I just got caught up, and I feel like this is like my third day maybe I've been painting, and I've already completed like 2 pictures, and this one's amazing as hell. And I just don't feel like trying to draw a portrait. Like, I know that's gonna take a long time, and I'm already yawning and shit. So I think I'm just put the paint away and bond with my dog. Tomorrow I need to go out and I need to buy some oil for my cuticle oils, because I think what I have like is only enough for my cuticle bottles, like not enough to give away. So I showered and stuff and already did like my self-care and stuff. I'm still waiting on that food, y'all. And look at my candle. Like, it doesn't even look like it's been lit, but it smells so good. Honestly, I wish I could get into candle making. I tried, and I think I just didn't have the right materials, but eventually I'm gonna get into candle making, and I swear to God, I'm probably never ever buying a candle like ever again, especially if I'm the one making it. I know it's gonna be as strong as I want to my liking. Yeah, I'm about to clean my room because everything's, to be honest, is already like clean. I just really just clothes I need to put up. I'm about to just get off my ass, and I just need to like do something, because I know like all I'm about to do is just get in the bed after moving my paint stuff. So yeah, I'm just about to go clean my room real quick actually, y'all. Okay guys, so that's really what was making my room look dirty. As you can see, I've made my bed, and I literally already got my heating blanket laid out ready, so when I get out the shower, that whole area is gonna be warm, y'all. Like, preheating my heating blanket before I got out the shower was probably the most smartest thing I could have done. I don't know why I didn't think of that before and just waiting to turn it on when I got out. So, but I've even cleaned up my painting section. This is for all my blankets. I just have my laptop in there. I've got all my paint in here, brushes, pomade, my tripod, my art palette, my bowls. There's actually still fresh water in there since I changed my mind about painting. And then I decided to just light my Bath & Body Works candle again to get the vibes going. And then when I get out the shower and come in my room, I'm just gonna blow it out. That way, you know, when I'm done, it just smells good in my room. Also, it's about that time, like, my rails really need fixed. So eventually I'm gonna get some nails and fix those. But eventually. Next, honestly, my suitcase and my juicy bag look so cute just sitting there. It's giving vibes, but I also, considering how my room used to look years ago, I just don't like my room crowded up anymore. I feel like it just makes my room look small. Oh my god, Jasper's being so loud. So I'm just about to put my suitcase and my Juicy Couture bag in my shoe and purse closet. And then, honestly, I'm gonna leave those shoes there because they're pink. And one of them are a pair of my slippers. So mine as well. And honestly, I'm gonna clean this side table because since I was painting last night, there's like a whole bunch of like wet paint splatters, and I just wanted to look, you know, cuter and fresh. Also I got a water bucket, so it was just soap and water, and I'm just gonna scrub some stains that I feel like I can see. Most of it is like stuff that's like fallen and or like paint bowl spill, stuff I just haven't cleaned up, and I feel like that's gonna make my room look way better. And I also have like 2 pee stains back there from freaking Jasper. Y'all see that? He got the freaking speedy, because so I pretty much got all the stains on my carpet and some of my dog's puppy pee stains that I could try and smell and see based off the color. There are still some stains that I couldn't really like get up like that, so I'm gonna try again tomorrow when it dries, and I'm gonna use soap detergent instead. One of them did come out good, but there's still like an after pink tone, so I'm gonna just try again when it dries and stuff. Like, my room is completely done now. All right, but yeah, my side table's done. I'm about to pour that water out and stuff, and then I'm gonna scrub a section by my steps, and then that's it, to be honest. Okay guys, so I got me some food. As you can see, looking scrumptious. Jasper wish he could have some. But I promise I'm wearing shorts. Oh my god. It's because my shirt's kind of long, and then my shorts are kind of short. But I was wearing pants, y'all. Honestly, hey. Oh. In my reflection, it looked like he was trying to sneak some stuff. But that's it for the video, y'all. I got a lot done today. It was a fun, chill day, and I have some editing to do and stuff, to be honest. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and bye.